Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Creating posters for teachers is a valuable way to visually reinforce educational content and engage students. I am excited to share a platform that allows teachers to create multimedia posters quickly and for free. So you can see here on the screen a platform. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So let's quickly go to the pricing. For a free account, there is unlimited poster editor. Let's start for the free version. Just click here, start free. First time you need to write down your information and register yourself. Let me do it quickly. So once you log in, you will reach on this interface. It is extremely user-friendly platform. You need to click here, create poster. Let me create a horizontal poster for you. Create poster. I will quickly show all the options one time. It is extremely easy to create any poster on this platform. First of all, you can add any link or you can upload any file or grab or embed. Even you can enter YouTube and Flickr. And there is extremely useful feature which is 3D model. Let me enter the text first. I need to go here and write the text. I'm writing here the Cold War. That's my title, and you can place it anywhere. You can edit that according to your requirement. Now I'm adding some graphics. So I'm going to choose one graphic. Now next I'm going to add an image. I know it's not relevant to Cold War, but just want to show you how it works. And you can add a wall also. I'm going to click here for the wall. You can add any audio also for your students. Hello, this is a testing audio. Thank you. So you can use this audio here. This is your voice message for your students. Similarly, you can upload a video as well. Let me select this one and you can embed a video here. Now the best part is here, the 3D model. You can add any 3D interactive model also. Let me try to add one. Let me select one model which is 3D model. So you can also embed PHET or Edpuzzle, or so many options are available. Google Map, Word Wall, you can insert and embed. So once your poster is ready, you can go to save and let's give a name, Cold War, I already gave. So to share with your students, you can click here, public. Anyone with the link can open this and just save. You can copy URL. Let me try and see the preview for the students. So you can see here, this is the 3D model for the students. Wow, it's amazing. It's very interactive. They can click and find useful information. They can play video as well. You can add as many elements as you want. Finally, you can share with your student by just clicking here, copy paste the link and share with your students. Please create some interactive posters for your students and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.